Hi friends. Let's see about fruits names. Watermelon. Cutting the watermelon in same slices. Apple. These are apples. Strawberry. These is yummy strawberry. Pineapple. Pineapple cutting. Grapes. These are blue color grapes. Mango. These are tasty mangoes. Banana. Banana's color is yellow. Orange. Oranges are orange in color. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is pink in color. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is red in color. Lemon. Lemon taste is sour. Papaya. These are papayas. Avocado. Avocado is green in color. Cherry. These is fresh cherry. Mangosteen. These are mangosteen. Kiwi. These are kiwis. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel.